O Vice Chancellor ke Northeastern Hill University, Professor P.S. Shukla, ula Thung ya Ngut ki Pro Vice Chancellor na Bynta ka Shillong terekam ke skul ba Shillong Tura, ki ben terekam na duk ka khatlai terik unai wing. Ka Professor S.M. Songo na Tenat Puli Education, kan kami ke Shillong campus kat ba ke Professor Fameline ke Marak na Tenat Puli Garo, kan shim ya kani ke juk ke Bynta Tura campus. Kani kejing Thung Pro Vice Chancellor kalawan ra kejing persyak ke bejur na kaliang kisam la pule bat nong hikai kumjo. Ka Nehu Teachers Association kalakan tho ya ketika rai da ka baong ba kalong ke jubab ka bamyahap habaya dei be kejing tenjo meminta ki ba ke skul ba kai kendo. Kisam la pule ha kejo ke por kelapan pawi kejing sokia ha ka babon naki kela persya ya kani kejing Thung Pro Vice Chancellor Bathymmai.
I think this appointment should be thrown to the dustbin. First thing, the notification itself is wrong. This notification comes from an AR planning. Who is sitting where we don't know, because this is supposed to come from the establishment, if at all it has to come. Secondly, this is almost like a mockery of the whole situation. And this Vice Chancellor is still playing his dirty trick. The only thing is, these two respectable professors that we have, one from Tura, one from Shillong, Professor Songo, and of course, Professor Marak, I guess they will not play puppet in the hand of this Vice Chancellor, because if you become a pawn, if you become a tool misusing to achieve your nefarious design, I believe that they will not take. I don't know how the name came out, whether they agree to it, that I don't know, but I believe that nobody should agree to these kind of appointment, because this, he have to go, that is the demand of the students.